Myntri tnad PHE Marcuise N Marak hindi kasngi Plie ya nongrim jong project sam po kathan rinja ya nongrim jong project drinking water supply scheme lumshgan rinja Plie pat ba hakajingdan lang UMLA uba Charles Pingrop uba penyat sings im kidkhot ke executive committee jong darbar shno bat kinang shong shno.
Our chief guest, Sri Marcuise N Marak, to open up for the foundation stones. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone here.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Marcuise N Marak, who has been a long friend of mine, more like a brother actually, when I was the Speaker of the House, and also was a resident of PHE, where I live. I thank you, Honourable Minister, once again for being present here today in spite of your little health concerns. But I'm glad that you could have made it today to inaugurate the water supply scheme of Lumshgain Rinja. I thank the officers of the Public Health Engineering Department, our former legislators of Nong Thamai, Rambash Nong Burun Rengat Pagi Dukot Jongko Executive Committee Jongka Shnong Rinja, Itaman Basan Balai ke Jingduai, Ashwa Bagin Sedang ke Jingalang ke Rupang. Nakwaban Penpauru ke Jing Sungo. Ia ki seng kintai lani seng long kume. Ki belawan man lagapor. Bon pin sungo hanga. Ia ki jing ke jongki habade ber ke umbam kumti. Teng lawan sa office ngala. Have admit, I was a little nervous at times. Margilai wan bungut ting la chang ting ke. Anyway, today their efforts with the directions of the Shnong has concluded in this beautiful morning where the Honourable Minister Marcuise will unveil the inauguration slab. I have always wanted that every Shnong, wherever it is, all over the state, should have potable drinking water, which is the basic necessity of every human being. And I'm glad that under the guidance and dedication of our Honourable Minister Marcuise, a lot of schemes have been provided all over. In fact, in the year 2023, Marcuise had even come to Nongra to inaugurate the JGM scheme and personally interceded to ensure that this water supply would be provided there. It has now, Honourable Minister, let me remind you that that scheme is now functional and the people of Nongra are getting adequate water supply. I've been informed by the Chief Engineer too that there are schemes which have been sanctioned for Lumio Blood, that is in Nong Thamai constituency, and also in Region Rio, Laujin Rio, that also will be sanctioned soon. So Nong Thamai is getting a lot of schemes. I must thank the Honourable Minister for taking special care of this constituency. And of course, our Rambash Nong, who keeps on badgering me about all the different schemes that he requires for the Rinja. And I want to declare here also that in addition to the 5 lakhs which we had given under the SRWP scheme for the construction of this hall, I have earmarked another 5 lakhs for Rinja, not because there was enough funds, but because I couldn't refuse the Rinja Shnong for constructing this building which will house the community hall and the office of the Dorba Shnong. But ngam lakem de penpawi ke jing sungu yaki office ke jonga. Hopo ke jing alam jung ba Alan Lingdo, belong president, iba alam shang lam kupar shang pliang secretary, iba lakashang belong treasurer, joga constituency junga. But boro ki balai treshi tom lang banya coordinate but ko office jong ka chief engineer juga PHE but honorable minister ru bakani ka scheme kan urong and menta kasngi ngar dap ter jing kwen ko khara ba ye jing ang not jong ki sen kun te seng long me jong ka lu shnain rinja klayo ye ka scheme ka ba God kumba new glory ay mo tenga ngetsem pada kini ka scheme kan sa pinbiang ye ka jingdan kamjung pi abadi bergo bangundi. Once again I thank the Rangbashnong. We also have the president of the Sinjoki Rangbashnong Nongtumai Pulun Bantili Nari, who's very active also in the localities of Nongtumai, especially during the COVID-19 endemic, where all the Rangbashnongs and Nongtumai took a big and played a major part to ensure that everyone in Nongtumai constituency did not have to go hungry or sleep in bed without a full meal. Congratulations goes to all the Rangbashnongs, 15 Rangbashnongs of Nongtumai constituency. With these few words, I thank you once again, members, the Kojugu Executive Committee, and more. From the bottom of my heart, I thank the Honorable Minister for his gracious presence and his generosity for giving us this beautiful scheme. Kuble Shibon, thank you, Mitila.
Dear friends, this project is costing around 6 crores. 6.71 crores. And it has been sanctioned very recently. And for this project, as has been mentioned by Rangbashnong, ED Viwar, Charles, local MLA, and also the former MLA Bhaktinath Singh CM were following up with the concerned department and also with my office. So I would want to congratulate local MLA Bhaktinath Singh CM and all the Rangbashnongs of this Lumsnain community. Dear friends, water is a life. The government of India has also launched, along with the state governments, called Jal Jeevan Mission, to give potable water to all the citizens of the country in the year 2019. That means the government's commitment to give potable water to each and every citizen of this country, along with the state governments. So here in our state also, apart from some urban water supply schemes, the way we are doing today, the government of Meghalaya, in support of government of India, has launched JJM in the year 2019. Way back in 2019, if we recall, the coverage of household tap connections in entire state is only 4,550 households in the rural areas. 4,550 household connections in the rural areas. I'm not talking about the urban areas. And in terms of percentage, it was 0.70 percentage. Where we stand today? Today we have already covered 5,46,000 plus households. In terms of percentage, 84%. That means the seriousness of the government of Meghalaya under the able leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, and also here PHE department, all our officers are doing very well, sincerely and dedicatedly working day and night to provide potable water to our people. So friends, it's a great moment. Today we are going to unveil the water supply scheme for Lumsnine locality here in Rinja. This was possible only because of positive support and guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who is always positive. Whenever his colleagues, ministers would demand through department or through different systems, he would patiently hear and he would definitely think of sanctioning the project based on the necessity, based on the demands of the people. So therefore, I would say that even if I wanted, even if our local MLA wanted, even if our former MLA Panat Singh CM wanted, along with Rangba Shrongs and the community, I would not have been able to sanction this project. It was possible only through the leadership of Conrad K. Sangma, who was very generous and very pro-people in his approach. So therefore, we should thank our Honorable Chief Minister, whose vision is driving our Meghalaya state. Our Meghalaya state, the growth is very fast. Today, we are fastest growing economic in the country, Meghalaya state. Yesterday in the Shillong Times, it came out that our Honorable Chief Minister was attending the Niti Aayog meeting in Delhi, where he was mentioning about the GSDP of Meghalaya. It was 29,508 crore in the year 2018. Where we stand today? We stand today 59,626 crore in 24-25. Means our economy is growing very fast, and which is why it's visible in entire state. So many developmental activities are happening. Even in Shillong, we have seen New Shillong Township. Lots of developments are happening there in New Shillong Township. Government is contemplating to shift the secretariat there. The works are happening 24 hours a day. Assembly buildings are nearly completed. Hopefully, next session will be conducting there in the new assembly complex. PHE department has already started the new Shillong water supply scheme. Initially, it was for 500 plus crores, and the work already started for new Shillong water supply scheme. That water supply scheme will cover entire New Shillong Township along with 32 localities there in the New Shillong Township. It has been enhanced very recently for want of different price escalations, and there are some issues. Earlier, the dam was on the downstream of the river, but now we have to shift to the upstream because of certain issues there. So the price has gone up, and then we have to enhance the cost there. Dear friends, today I would want to inform you on this occasion that we are also contemplating to go for another water supply system for Shillong, covering this side, Nong Tumai, Laimukra, and entire these areas wherever it will have to cover. The source would be Wa Rinkentem. We have already started the process of preparing the DPR, and once it is completed, we will move for necessary sanctions. These are all under the guidance of our Honorable Chief Minister. This government is very serious in terms of water supply scheme for entire Shillong city. If I may recall you about the Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme, which has initiated long back in the year 2008. It is yet to be completed till now. Last year,
to all of you, it is with immense pleasure and gratitude that I stand before you today on the auspicious occasion of the foundation stone laying ceremony for the drinking water supply project at Rinja. This project marks as an important milestone in our community journey towards improved public health, better living standards, and sustainable development. Lesi ha kabang akwa ngan penpau ni namar bangan numla bagan ya ka public health engineering department hapo ka jingalam jong iba RS nongri kum chief engineer kum bila pen snow ha ka jingkren ke jong i kublai sibun ba ha ka ba ya ka ai ke bangilawan ban pen snow ban bangin ud ya ka jing don kam ka bakum ka snong ka don kam ki officials ki jong pi hapo ka jing pe ki jong iba sanga kajing pejang ba sun bat kumta ter kilawan bat kila deble ru ya ka field inspection bat haba kila yo i ba kalong ka babyang na ka benta bangin yo ya ka ni ka scheme hapo ka snong jongi kumta hi marmar kila ya chakmat na ka benta ban penkre ya ka presentation bat kumjuru bat penkre na ka benta bangin la ban wanra ya ka ni ka scheme hapo ka ni ka dong lesi nganumla ai bangin len kalong ke budlum ya ke imlang ke salang ban ya ke snong hi borok we hagan ke por ka sibenta na kiliang jong kidong na prengki nyoteli kidong apok snong renja kene ke benta jong kadong lum singan bat main road kilong kidong ke baka kaladuna si papalat nila haban wadi kilat kilenti khamtam lele hadien bagi laduno ya ko kawan nang te na podem tring Dia dah bangi wajah kalat kelinti kakmat jongi kamla suban phai sinu sinu lat satang saka department ka pasay ko umat kata kalong yo public health engineering department de hapo kini kisnem hapring survey pat hapring sibun kijing kemi pilawan pet bat pilalam bat pilayu i bakalong ka babit bat ka bapetikna bangin yo ko undi ka babit ka babyang bat ka ban pendap penbiang ya ki yeng bat ya ki nongsok snong hakadong lum singan bat main road lesi hakan ka por ka burom ka bakham tabe ngapan pau ya MLA jongi ba Charles Pingru anda ha bangilayu i ba ka jingdot kam kalong ka bala seiso lingba ka jingwan survey jong public health engineering department nilali ban ya kendo ya i ban pensngo ban ud ya ka jingdot kam kamin siem ka bukhut ka kti ka basbun bat ka jimut ka jing perhat ka basyai iklem karnga ba disyong kan salong bet ka blai sibun sa ya ka benta ka baklasim bat lesi ba ni sayo ya ka ni ka benta ka ba nganong hakmat jong hiboro lesi ka ni ka sin ka baning tong ka bangin yo ka project ka balajan kot hokrur hapo ka snong jongi di kalong ke burom jisha na ka bentai MLA mati ka public health engineering department ka wala le yang ka kam na ka benta bangin yo yang ka benta so bahang ini tahap ketilang na ka benta ka burom ke jongki